Hi, good day to every one of us once again. It's another time again in the Tech Minds. My name is Solomon, and I'm super excited again to be presenting to you another exciting topic that's going to help you in your journey while transiting into the tech industry. And I hope today we will answer a lot of petty questions you have been asking somewhat in a way, and I think this video would be a lot useful for you. So today we'll be discussing about how to align your interests and your values with the right tech career for you. It's no news that there's a lot of tech careers out there, and it seems daunting, at the same time overwhelming to know which tech career can I choose, because everything seems attractive. Everybody's talking about this tech career, talking about being a data scientist, talking about being a front-end developer, a full-stack developer, talking about being an artificial intelligence, and so many all. And you want to be in 3, 4, 5, and later you discover that the requirements and demands for you being just one of these, it's a lot. So and you don't have much time, because you still have your personal life, so you have to deal with work, since you're trying to scale and come into the tech industry. That means you have something ongoing at the instant. So all of this all together, it's overwhelming, and seemingly you don't have time anymore to really go into what you had envisioned that as a goal that you want to do before the end of the year. How then do you know the right tech careers would I succeed in and excel in perfectly? So this is why this video was made up for you, so that we can help answer that question and help guide you properly into the right tech career for you. First of all, the first step in you transiting in this journey, the first step and the first most important of them all is you examine yourself, identifying yourself. Many people actually have recommended you taking self-assessment tests and to discover your strengths. What are your strengths? What are your interests? What are your values? Your uphold? And each of this is not a bad idea, because they actually help to you to identify your skills, not just knowing yourself, but also knowing the right career for you. But at the same time, only you know you best. You know yourself best. So it's best that you sit down, get a journal, and begin to take an understudy of your past experiences. What are the things that interest you? Are you someone that's an introvert, an extrovert? Because if you are an introvert, you won't enjoy talking to people, meeting with people. You've been extroverts, you don't want to sit on the desk all day, you want to go out there. You're more like a salesperson, talking with people, interacting with people, selling your products, and so on like that. So all of this, identifying your interests, your values all together, would help to know what the kind of person you are. Then after you get to know the kind of person you are, the next step now is to now begin to make a research on all of the possible tech jobs out there, the tech role, the tech roles in the tech industry. Now, after you find them, you list each of them out, and then begin to list out also their description. What are the job description, the skills, the requirements for you to function in this role. After doing that, you have to do a mapping. You map your interest with the job description. This is how you're able to streamline the right tech career that is right for you. You can't open to different tech industry, tech positions and tech roles, but you know the one that works with you, that maximizes your strengths. Yes, because and you have this question, as you must say, I don't have any strengths. What could be my strength? But if you find a calm person, that means you have the ability to work under pressure. That is a strength. This is one thing that is needed in the workspace. how to work under pressure, how to work under pressure and bring out the best in you at that instant when everybody's losing composure at that instance. It's you once you begin to know that the tech career, after streamlining the tech career, this after doing this, it will help you now know, okay, this is the right tech career that works for me and not the one that you've seen that is more interesting for you and people are talking about. Getting to know now this is the right tech career and this is what suits my interest, my values and everything. You reach out to mentors. Reach out to mentors and experts in that field, experts in that tech career. So in doing so, you are giving yourself privilege to ask them questions because each of them have been there before you. They have gone through all of the experiences, the challenges that you experience while journeying through this tech career. So once you have reached out to mentors in the field on the possible tech career you are streamlined by aligning it to your interests and your values, you're able to now ask them the right questions. And these questions will help you to be more informed about the tech career you have ended up choosing. And also you have the system of you reaching out to us. In reaching out to us, we would help you answer these difficult questions you are somewhat battling in your mind, and we will help you answer these questions at the same time. So reaching out to mentors and to professionals would help cut this long journey to a shorter one and able to get the right answers on time. And after working and getting to mentors, you have to go apply for internship. Applying for internship allows you to apply your skills, your knowledge, and able to get experience in that career you're looking to go into. Once you apply for a short-term position or you are for internship at a company at that career you're looking for, it will allow you to know all the requirements of the job or the career you are looking to grow into. And in doing so, you will be faced with challenges, day into day challenges that if an expert or a professional in that field experience. This will now allow you to know if this field is actually for you, able to know if any what you are experiencing drives passion in you, wants to grow and become more better. And the moment you discovered this is not the right tech career for you, you can actually transit to other options you have. But if not, it gives you hands-on experience, and it allows you to begin to now discover your unique strengths that differentiate you from others in the industry. Then also you have also learned to stay updated at all times. The tech industry is always coming up with new technologies, coming up with new trends, with new data, new information. So, and you can't afford to be obsolete in the tech industry. And this is where you have to stay updated comes in. Stay updated with the new trends, with help you be relevant at every instance, and also updated. You be more informed, and you can better relate with other peers and other individuals in the industry. Now, we'll be giving you some simple examples of different tech careers in the tech industry, which will allow you to position yourself and begin to write out the interest, the things that suits you in the tech industry. And you will be taking certain different roles in the tech industry that can help you do your assignments correctly, and then you're able to get desired results. Number one, the mobile app developer. You all know the mobile app developer is one that builds application for the mobile ecosystem. Now, for you to be a mobile app developer, you must have certain interests. When you make an understudy of yourself and you discover you love working with mobile, you love building application, you love coding, you love how apps function, and you want to give users more other beautiful experience on the mobile system, then being a mobile app developer actually is for you. And also, if you love also to design, to work, because a mobile app developer works literally with designers to create the UI, to create all of the beautiful and appealing designs you see on all of the mobile app, the experience that you go through when using this application are done by designers. So at the same time, mobile app developers works hand in hand with these designers. So if you love designing on the mobile app, then being a mobile app developer is for you. A mobile app developer must have an in-depth knowledge of how your mobile phone works. How does it work? So literally, it's all about working with the mobile. And if you are fascinated and you have passion in working with mobiles, then it's without doubt you will be an excellent mobile app developer. Even though you are faced with different challenges, you would still end up thriving in being a mobile app developer. The next now we have the data scientist. Who's the data scientist? Data scientist is one who works with data. They collect data, they analyze data, and then they interpret data to bring out meaningful insights that helps to bring informed decision that can help to grow your business, help to grow companies, and so many on. So if you love working with data, you love looking at patterns and bringing out insights, then being a data scientist is for you. If you have an analytic mind, you love to use your logical mind to work with mathematics to analyze situations, then being a data scientist is for you. A data scientist must have an in-depth knowledge of the product they are working on. So that means for you to be an excellent data analyst, you must love to make research. So making a lot of research actually allows you to have a vast knowledge of the products you want to work on or you are working on, and then it helps you to give a more detailed and reliant information or insights after analyzing the products. All right, so next now we have the front-end engineer. Who's the front-end engineer? It's a lot similar like the mobile app developer. The only difference is that why the mobile app developer works with the mobile app, with the mobile apps, they work with the mobile ecosystem to create mobile apps. The front-end developers actually work with the web to create web applications. So it also like the mobile app developer, what they do is that they work also with designers to create amazing front-end designs that are appealing to users, gives users beautiful experiences. And why they do so, it allows them to now create amazing designs that are beautiful. So a front-end developer is one who creates web applications on the workspace. So if you are one that has a lot of interest in working on the mobile, you love creating amazing websites that are appealing, that are beautiful. If you love designing, something appealing, amazing, then being a front-end developer or an engineer is rightly for you. And also, if you love to learn and use new technologies, you love to code a lot, then this also actually is for you. If you don't love coding, then it's a no-go area, being a front-end developer. So once you love coding, you love learning and using new technologies, then being a front-end developer is for you. Because the front-end developer involves you working with the HTML, the CSS, the JavaScript, and some other technologies like the Django, the .NET, Ruby, and so many on. So it's an open reality to working with programming languages. So if this actually interests you, then being a front-end developer works for you. A mobile app developer has to do more with the mobile apps, and the mobile ecosystem allows for a single user using your mobile phone at a time. So they have to deal with just one person coming into the application at a time. Though we have many people coming from different locations, but it's just one user on the mobile phone at a time. So this is quite different for being a front-end developer. A front-end developer has to do with multiple user using the web application from different locations at the very same time. So we're having multiple users at the same time, and is it all different ball game with the experience on the web application. So the front-end developer has to think and do a lot of thinking around scaling, around how to manage a lot of people coming on the website at the same time, and the experience they will have while navigating through the website, not having an experience where the website becomes slower, or the most of the widgets doesn't load properly when we have multiple users coming on the website. So once for you, if you're interested in problems around scaling, then being a front-end developer actually would suit you. Another example again is the DevOps Engineer. Once you find that you have interest not just in coding, but also in pushing and putting your code in production environment, then being a DevOps engineer is for you. A DevOps engineer is exposed to a lot of realities in the tech industry. So for you to be a DevOps engineer, it takes years. It takes years because it requires a lot of exposure. It requires a lot of knowledge in the tech industry field, and experiences. So for you to be a DevOps engineer, you have to have a lot of experiences. And if you're interested in learning new things, because they are vast. They are vast. They're not limited to one sector, but they are very vast. Because DevOps has to do more with development and operations. So the moment you love to learn new things, then being a DevOps engineer is for you. Yeah. So a DevOps engineer must love to code and have a lot of experience. Since a DevOps engineer actually is one that has a lot of vast knowledge and experience in the tech field, you end up becoming the go-to guy. You end up becoming the one that everybody comes to when an issue happens, or it is a need for help to overcome certain challenges or come into a new form of industry. So if you want to be the go-to guy, you want to be the smart guy in the room, you want to be the everybody guy, then being a DevOps engineer actually will work for you. All right, so we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you actually learned something from this video. Kindly like and share this video with your friends and with those you know really needs this video. And you can also in the comment section drop in your questions. We are open to receive your comments, and we're super excited at the same time. Once you have questions during the point of you applying each of the things you have learned on this platform, you can reach out to us on the comment section, and we will gladly respond to them. We hope to get to hear from you and learn you are thriving and having a successful transition into the tech industry. See you and stay blessed. Bye for now.